everybody and welcome to my show Cooking with Mira. Today I'm going to be baking in apple pork tenderloin. All you're going to need is some olive oil, some apples, an onion, dijon mustard, thyme, salt and pepper, and a pork tenderloin.
Preheat the oven to 320 degrees Fahrenheit. On the cutting board, slice the apples and the onions into thin slices. In an iron skillet, add a tablespoon of olive oil and place both the pork tenderloins inside. You want to get some colors on them and grill them on every side until the skin is golden and crispy. Add the onions and apples into the skillet and start cooking them. You don't want to fully cook the apples and pork because you're going to finish them inside the oven. With a basting brush, spread a generous amount of Dijon mustard onto the pork tenderloins and finish off by sprinkling some thyme, salt and pepper all over the pork. Place the iron skillet into the oven for about 15 minutes. Take it out with an oven mitt and place it back on the stovetop. Take out the pork and let them finish off cooking on a cutting board covered with a pot lid. In the meantime, add the chicken broth to the skillet and boil until the apples, onions, and stock have become a thicker sauce. Slice the pork into 1 centimeter slices and cover it with the applesauce.